hurts worse. It hurts so bad.
College is definitely in the plan.
Ow! Hey, wait a minute. I thought you were here to help.
Going into the medical field is definitely in the plan.
16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
This week is our second annual Nursing and Health Professions Camp. The purpose of the camp is to bring rising juniors and seniors in high school to Wright State campus to learn about the health professions that we have in the College of Health Education and Human Services.
It feels pretty enriching. Like, I'm learning new stuff I didn't know much about before, so it's fun, really.
You're pressing down about how far?
2 inches.
Last year we only had 28, but this year we have 41 campers.
Wright State hosting this is a beautiful thing for people in the community who are going into the nursing field and want to experience things that they haven't before.
What resources were there to help and assist some of the victims?
And Wright State is very organized, and they're making sure we have fun with it and also learning new things.
That 30th compression, you're on the other side, you're going to give 2 breaths.
So we have actually partnered with Premier Health to put on this nursing camp. We wanted it to be very much an active learning experience so students can actually get their hands-on equipment. They can work with faculty from across all of our professions. Stop the bleed is important for any citizen to know. Even with all of our hurricanes and tornadoes, people get hurt. And if you have those skills, you can save a life. So we do believe they're important.
I'm so sorry.
And they're a skill that anybody can learn, along with CPR.
I can use this info to help, so say an accident happens and I can help somebody really quickly. It'll be very beneficial later in life.
And I hope that they realize that Wright State is the place for them. I hope they realize that we have a lot of opportunities and options for growth and development. We're here to support them.
Oh, that's really hurting bad. Can't you take it off?
Nope.
And to give, healthcare a considerable try.
All right, so next, we want to turn this. Ow! Ouch! Savannah, I thought you were going to help me. It hurts worse. It hurts so bad.